It's starting to rain. Let's see if that creek down there will flood. It has gotten really dark. I mean, no kidding. This is 12 o'clock a.m. right around lunchtime, and it looks like it's 8 o'clock at night. It's really pouring now. Pretty soon that little ditch out there will be 15 feet wide if it keeps this up. It's absolutely pouring. It's coming down in sheets. And I still don't even see water out there on that creek. I think it's going to be coming in some sort of large flash flood wave type thing. I'm going to have to wait and see. I can see some water in there now. And still the flood wave is yet to come. They'll usually just gush over there instantly. Here it is. Here's the flood wave. Watch it just get wider immediately. Wow. I've seen it do this, but every time this little 2-foot ditch becomes 10 to 15 feet wide like this, it always amazes me. Look at that. Just seconds it went from rising over its banks to becoming a raging river. I don't know if you can tell by this camera, but sometimes I can actually see things from up here in my window without even using binoculars. Sometimes I can see things just floating down this creek when it's like this. This one big rain is all it took to turn this 2-foot ditch into a 20-foot wide raging river. Sometimes it can get even wider. Wait just a minute, I'll give you an even better view. Here it is. Here's that 20-foot creek that used to be 2 feet wide. There's things like a baseball floating in it. Lots of cool stuff can float down here sometimes. I wouldn't be able to get it out though. It's just ridiculously high. Here's a very rapid section of it. And this is the creek I usually go to catch snakes at. This is a different creek that flows into this main creek.